If you're watching this video, you need help with part 2, the KWL. Remember, it always helps me to fit to the screen. Fill out the KWL chart. Fill out the chart below to show what you already know about forces in motion and what you want to learn about forces in motion. Write at least 5 points in each box. Here are some pictures to get you started. Know. What do you already know about forces? There's some examples of sentence starters at the bottom. I know that, an example of a force is, an example of motion is. So I might say an example of motion is a car moving. Here I might say, I know that when I push something, it moves. See if you can come up with 3 more things that you already know. If you get stuck, a good place to start with is an example of motion is, so anything that you know that moves. Or you might look at these lists of different forces and see if you recognize any of these words, like magnetic force, gravitational force maybe. Next, you're going to write 5 questions that you have about forces in motion. You might say, I wonder why, or I'm curious about, or how come? So one question I have is, I wonder why cars move so fast. Or I might say, I wonder what a frictional force is. I'm looking here. I don't know what that is. See if you can come up with 3 more questions by yourself. Remember, you do not have to fill out the learned part yet.